Friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. And today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we set guys button navigation in our Tecno phone guys. So guys you can see guys we don't have guys this button layout setting means button navigation. So guys, how can you set guys your button navigation in your Tecno phone? In this video friends I am going to show you. So you want to set guys your button navigation, you can set. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to set guys your button navigation, then guys scroll it. As you can see guys your phone system setting, last one setting is tap here, guys click on system navigation, then guys you can see guys your button navigation. So guys tap here to set your button navigation. So your button navigation will set, and guys you can use guys your three button navigation. You can see back and home and screen button. So like that guys you can set guys your three button navigation in your Techno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.